All right, now we're going to move on to the non-P pull pattern pull protocols. Retrieve protocol, lumbar. Scroll down to the next available, which is number 6, broken arrow, and we're going to edit. And this will be very similar to the cervical. 3 steps on this side, 3 steps on the other side. TX time of 10 minutes. Speed at 30%. So toggle till it says 30. Min max levels. This is 55 and 35 for the minimum. And back arrow. And we're going to edit our hold times. And this should be 20 across the board. So I'm changing all these to 20. And back again. Double check your work. Make sure everything looks right according to your printout. White file key, save protocol. See how there's that default up there? That'll go away once we put in a dummy program. Number 6 on this one, and clear. And this is acute steps. And broken arrow K to save. All right, moving on. Retrieve protocol, lumbar. We're going to go down to the next available, which is number 7, and edit. 3 steps on the left, 3 steps on the right. TX time at 10. Rope speed at 30%. And this is the one that you got to change to static. So cycle through till it says static. Edit your min-max levels. This is 55 and 35. So 55 and 35. The back arrow, edit hold times. And this is 20 on left and 20 on the right. Nice straight graph there. And back arrow so you can double check your work. White file key, save. Scroll down to the number 7 and clear. And this is acute sensitive steps. Acute sen steps. And broken arrow to save. Moving on. Retrieve protocol, lumbar. Scroll down to the number 8 and edit. 3 steps again on the left, 3 on the right. TX time of 10 minutes. Rope speed to 30%. Min max levels 65 on this one. 45 for a minimum. Back arrow. Edit our rest hold times. This is 20 across the board. And 20. Back arrow. Graph should look like that. I can double check by checking all these numbers. If everything looks right, white file key, save protocol. And we're going to go down, and this is standard steps. So clear, STD steps. And broken arrow to save. Only 2 left. So retrieve protocol, lumbar, scroll down to the next available, which is number 9, and edit. 3 steps on the left, 3 steps on the right. TX time of 10 minutes. Rope speed on this one is 50%, so I'm good. Min max levels, max level 72. Minimum level 52. Back arrow. Edit rest hold times. So it'll be 20 on the left, 20 on the right, 2 on top, and 1 second on the bottom. And back button, there's the graph. If you want to check your work, hit it again. If everything looks right, white file key, save protocol. Scroll down to number 9 and clear. And we're going to call this oscil 50 steps. 50 steps. And broken arrow to save. All right, last one. Retrieve protocol, lumbar. Scroll down to the next available. Number 10, edit. 3 on the left, 3 steps on the right. 10 minutes for TX time. On this one, we want rope speed at 100%. Max level is 72. Minimum level is 52. Edit hold times, we're going to go 20 on the left and 20 on the right. And it is 0 seconds on top, 0 seconds on the bottom. And I go back, and that's what your graph should look like. And if you want to check your work, hit back again. If all your numbers look right, hit the white file key, save protocol, and see how the default's at the top. We want to make sure that gets away. Number 10, clear, and we're going to name this oscil 100 steps. And broken arrow to save. And again, I want to put in another protocol just so that ours stay correct. So retrieve protocol, lumbar. I'm going to scroll down now to number 11 and edit. And I usually just change one thing to whatever and hit my white file key and save it. And I'm going to number 11, and I'm just going to change one letter and save. You can do whatever you want in that situation. All right, so now we have all our protocols in. You can simply go to retrieve protocol, cervical, so you should have PP1 acute, PP2 standard, PP5 oscillation, and then all the other steps. And that's how that works. If you have any questions, please feel free to call Jerry at Hockert Sales or Troy at Hockert Sales. Usually you have our emails or our phone numbers, but please feel free to call. My name is Troy. My cell number is 612-590-8316. If you ever have any questions, don't be afraid. Please feel free to call anytime. All right. Thank you.